you're here to do was snatch a quick breath. No breathing. That was the mistake. Slamming the desk lid.
PS3 make the best games. Nah, I mean, nigga.
Really have been a the Windows console.
This was me, Brian Button. This was me, Brian Button. This was me, Brian Button. Okay, here's your weekday plan. With low-fat wheat, drink, hot butter diet for artifact, pork soaps, garlic pudding.
Now we can take how much do you think Microsoft Windows is worth? Windows. You get it? No. How much do you think Microsoft Windows? Notepad, a clock, a control panel. Test it right into Windows right. Now, how much do you think Microsoft Windows is worth? Don't answer. What, 1,000? Even more. Executive and important. How? Wait, 6. That's 99 value, but it's true. It's charged. MS-DOS, a card. Wait, 6. That's right.
Windows.
Seats and listen right.
So bitches, chair words. I'm talking about that PS3. PS3. I ain't talking about that. No weed, shit. People will be talking about how it's on. No, shit. So you know what I'm trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that weed. That little control, that looks like a dildo. I ain't trying to play some games with no dildo.
It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago.